Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add footer with best practice and we will also see how to create a footer with free plugins with Elementor. So let's get started and we will add the four plugins for header and footer and we will see which one is the best and which I use. So let's install Elementor, install it, and here is the Elementor header and footer builder. This one also install, and here is the Royal add-ons install and Elements kits install. So these four are installed, and let's go to plugin and activate it. After activating, so let's explore this plugin. Let's go to appearance and let's explore this Elementor header and footer builder. So there are only two options to create a template. So let's, if we write here header, and here is the template option, header, before footer, footer, and custom block. So it's up to you. So let's go back and let's explore the another plugin, the Royal add-ons. Click on it and skip. After that, go to theme builder. So here are the templates available. So you can create the header template, footer template, archive, single, product archive, product single, and other saved templates. So let's create a footer. Go to footer tab and click on template and footer, create template. After that, it will say add condition. So I'm not adding condition yet. So let's explore another plugin. Go to elements kits, and here is only header and footer option. So I am personally like the Royal add-ons, and I will create the footer with it. So let's get started and click on footer, create template. Oh sorry, I have already created the template footer. So click on edit template. So let's add the three column, and let's give them some padding. So let's add the, so you can add the company text, like company title text or the company logo. It's up to you and which will be better for you. So I don't have the company title here, so I will add the company text. So here the brand text, so Friday night or whatever. So you can add the website link here, so whenever they click the user here, so it will redirect to home page. So as I don't created the home page yet, so I will add it later. So let's give them background color. I will add the black and give it white. You can save the your color as global. Okay, so let's add some intro for our company, and as I don't have any information about it, so I will leave it the lorem ipsum here. So you can also add the social icon in the below, official color, custom color, and white. After that, transparent. So I think it's looking good. So let's go to another, add heading, and I will add here quick links, and add some icon list here, give it white color, and after that I will remove them and remove the icon, and I will write here home, and after that duplicate it here, services, and here about us, and here contact. So we added the menu here, we created menu with icon list, and let's reduce the heading size, and copy and paste, and let's change the color. Okay, after that copy and paste it here. So let's add some contact information here. Let's change the heading text, and after that we will add the phone number here, like +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1. Okay, so let's add the text, tell, and paste, copy. We will add the email here, info at frightnight.com. Okay, and here mail to and email. So let's add some location, near Somali blog, Canada. Okay, as I don't remember any location, so I added this. So let's add some icon, search phone, and add this one. After that, let's add some icon for email, envelope, and I will add this one. Let's add some location icon. Okay, let's change the icon color white and change icon size. Okay, and give them space between 10, and this one also 10. Okay, you can also change a text color or text size, 18, and this one also 18. Okay, let's give it, padding. So I think 150, 120, 130. Okay, 130. Okay, and let's add some negative pad bottom margin. So okay, our footer is created almost. So let's add the copyright text. So okay, it will differentiate. So let's add another column. So we will add the copyright tags here. Let's add heading and change the tag to H5 or H4. I think H6. Okay, H6. Center line, middle line, okay, and write the copyright 2023. Okay, and you can add the hashtag here. Okay, and you can add the privacy policy here with icon list and inline it. Privacy policy and terms and condition. Okay, so let's align it to most right. Let's change the color to white. So let's add divider between them, and I think it's looking good. So update it. So over almost header is over almost the footer is ready. So let's publish it and see what how it's looking. Go to footer tab and manage conditions and add condition to entire site. You can also add other condition, but it is for pro version. So save changes. Our footer is ready. Let's go to our website and see. So it's not showing here. Let's create a page and add it with Elementor. And go to settings and fill out Elementor full width. So our footer is showing. So let's publish it and preview. So our footer is showing. So we will create the header as well. Let's create a header. So edit template. After that, I will create two columns and give them padding or give them background color black. And write the name here. Right night. Oh, sorry. And adjust the column and the size as well. You can add the name menu here of Royal add-ons, as I have not created the name menu. So let's create the name menu. Go to appearance and let's activate the Hello Elementor theme. So here is Hello Elementor and activate it. So okay, after that go to menu and create your menu. I will create custom link, URL hash and home. After that URL hash and services. After URL hash, about us. After URL hash and contact. So our menu is created, and let's save menu and refresh our header. After that, search here name menu and just drag the widget here. So our menu is showing. Let's change its color. So our menu is showing, and let's explore the hover color to red or blue. It's up to us. I'm giving it red, and let's change it red as well. So it's looking good. So you can adjust and the typography and the sub menu and as well as mobile menu and the toggle icon. So let vertical line set to middle, and it's looking good. Update. Let's see if the header is updated or not. So as you see, header is updated, and let's add some content to this page. So image size full, position center, alignment scroll, and repeat, no repeat, and cover. Let's adjust the height of this section, vertical height and 100. So let's update and let's go to preview. So our header is showing, and it's looking good. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and like our channel, subscribe and comments for future videos and Upwork tips and tricks.